Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this one we are going to do some extreme stacking the layers or something like that. Basically what we are going to do is create a song, but each sound that I'm gonna add has to have 10 layers. So if I'm gonna add a kick, there has to be 9 more kicks layered to that kick, meaning one kick will consist of 10 kicks. So, and every sound has to be like this. So it's gonna be extreme, stack the layers, whatever. We're gonna stack the layers a lot. So yeah, those are pretty much the rules of this challenge, and if someone else wants to try, go right ahead. So basically we are probably gonna have some really fat sounds and nothing will sound good because everything will be overpowering. But yeah, let's just try it. Let's see what we can do. It's gonna be extreme. Anyways, let's get started, and I'm not sure what type of song I want to create, but I think something like future bass or along those lines, because obviously that's where it might be an advantage stacking the layers. So let's get started with the drums first, and this is gonna be a hard drum beat to create. Okay, first kick, this one, and now we have to have 9 more, and they have to play at the same time, of course. So top kicks. I mean, let's just pick kicks. Of course, I'm using the pack by Kashmir, as always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is 10. Let's see how our new kick is sounding. And of course, this is not the correct way to do anything. You don't want to do this when you are actually trying to produce a good song. But this is for fun. It's a kind of a challenge. I just want to see what happens. What? That's actually a pretty cool kick. That's a huge kick, man. Damn. What? I thought it's gonna be clipping right away for sure, but it's pretty good. So we got our huge kick. Let's continue on this challenge. So of course we're gonna go with a snare next. So 10 more layers. It's gonna get pretty chaotic real fast. Okay, should we do snares and claps at the same layer? I think so, because it's kind of like a one thing. So I'm gonna do a few claps and a few snares in one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 more. Oh, by the way, one more rule I forgot to mention is 10 layers minimum, but you can do more if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? That actually kind of works. I'm really surprised that these snares are even better than what I would usually have. This sounds like Imagine Dragons or something. Okay, we definitely want to have some toms there. And again, we're gonna have 10 toms at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. So we just copy that over all of these. Let's see this. This might be the first one that's not gonna make any sense. Okay, I mean, it kind of does. Okay, we can mess with the volume. I mean, I'm gonna have this on 5. So we already got 30 layers and 3 sounds pretty much. So I definitely wanna lower the volume of the toms. Okay, let's just hear it. Maybe even some reverb on it. Those are actually pretty cool drums, considering we have so many layers. I like it. Okay, so that would be the drums. I wanted to add a cymbal perhaps, but then I realized that might be too much. Let's see. Cymbal. So yeah, I'm gonna do these groups so I don't get confused. Just go to cymbal and you can see nothing. So that's good. Do we want crashes? Do we want 10 crashes? Probably. What I wonder what this will sound like. This will be pretty crazy. 10 times, of course. But I'm gonna just do this on each one because I don't want it to be that long. It's kind of annoying doing it on each one. Yeah, this is pretty heavy. Let's mess with the volume of these. I mean, I don't want to like do the volume completely down because that would be kind of cheating, because it would almost be like the crash is not even there. But I definitely want to mess with the volume a little bit, at least. So yeah, now we got 10 crashes. Yeah, but I think only one note is enough. And let's do it like this. Yeah, and I'm gonna add another layer to the snare because obviously it doesn't have enough layers. And I wanna add pre-shifted. Yeah, that's it. You know what? Maybe just one crash. Damn, these drums are heavy, and no wonder since they have like 40 layers overall. But yeah, I like it. Now it's gonna be the hard part, the rest of the sounds. You know, drums we can get away with it obviously, but the rest of the sounds I'm not sure. So let's do some synths, and how will my computer handle it is another thing. 10 layers. I'm probably gonna use Nexus, not Serum, because Serum would fuck me up after one layer. So I have an idea. Let's start with a bass. This is gonna be the worst. Oh my god. 10 basses at the same time. Yeah. I don't know if my computer can handle it, but... Okay, one layer. Second layer. It's gonna be low. Another one. This will probably lose all the sub bass because it will somehow just cancel each other out or something. Oh no, this will be a terrible sound. I can already tell. Okay. I mean, it's not bad. It's not even that powerful. Let's put it all on channel number 6. Let me see if I put Maximus on it with the NE compression. Okay, maybe let's change some layers. What is this? Oh yeah. Okay, let's keep that like that for now. Let me just sidechain it with the kick. This is gonna be crazy. It started so well, but now it's falling apart. But let's do one thing. Yeah, it's like... Okay, let's keep it this way. It's gonna be like a bass, and now we're gonna put a synth on it. So let's create a new group, call it a chords, and let's just stack the chords. It's gonna be the same melody. This is gonna be... So let me save it because it's gonna crash at some point, I'm sure. So now let's go to EDM and leads and do chorus. Okay, let's do another. Yeah, let's put any lead in there. I mean, they all have right to live in this layer stacking. Not this one though. Okay, so it works, but this is pretty heavy. So we gotta EQ it a bit. And we gotta sidechain it as well with the kick. And now is the time where the song is gonna sound like shit. Yeah, I don't like it. Oh shit. This bass, way too... Wait, I gotta get rid of this Maximus. Because there's reverb and delay on these basses. Let me just delete that, because that doesn't make any sense. Why would you do that, Nexus? Why would you put reverb on the bass? Yeah, now it's a little bit better, but the leads are terrible, and I don't know if I can fix this. A gross beat maybe? Something here. Oh shit. Let's put a limiter on the whole thing, see what that does. But yeah. Let me try doing a little effect here. This should be good. You know, funny thing is, this almost has potential, but it just, if only I could not include so many layers in all of these, we could do the mixing a little bit better, but this way it's just everything is like at 0 dB, just hitting, so everything is at the same volume pretty much, and the mix is not gonna be great. Maybe we should include some guitars, a melody, you know, but a melody, I just know it's gonna be terrible, but let's try it. That's gonna be probably the last thing I'll add. So let's just start with one guitar. I want to just hear what we can do here. Yeah, that could be a melody. Let's make it 10 times bigger. Dude, so many Nexus. And we're still pretty good in here, in the CPU region. For how long is the question we all ask. Okay, so we got that. Now let's layer it as we do on this channel. You know what? Acoustic guitar, why not? I got some lead guitars that I'm not gonna use. Yeah. One more. I wonder how this guitar will sound. It will probably be pretty weird. Okay. Okay, it's whatever, I don't know. Not terrible, not great either. This is not gonna be good. The guitar is not gonna make any sense. I can already tell. You know, I know this is a challenge, so it doesn't really matter if it's good or bad, because it's about having fun and trying something that you wouldn't do usually, but I still want it to be good anyways. But I guess I'll fail this time. Let's hear it. Yeah, I mean, it's almost good, but then everything is just kind of pushed. It's like the volume of the guitar is low, and then suddenly, when other sounds are not playing, it's high. And this is what happens when you have all the sounds being super loud. it just tries to push some of them down. Maybe if we have a different melody. Now changing it for all the layers. Great fun. Okay, let's try it this way. Look at these layers. So yeah guys, this is it. This is the end of the challenge. And here is what we created. As you can see, each sound has at least 10 layers. Let's hear it. Let's create a little arrangement here. Let's hear it. Enjoy. And there we have it. I think it's pretty bad, but especially the melody, it didn't fit in there. But without the melody, we could probably make something of it. The drums were really cool. I might even use the drums for another project. I guess the conclusion is don't stack the layers. Actually, let's stack the layers anyways. Just don't overdo it, because it's not good. It's not good for your CPU or your ears. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was kind of a disaster. It was still kind of fun. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.